Hello, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nadia Zeka binti Wazabidi. This is my system. I want to explain about the Smart Disciplinary Confiscation Management System, S-DCMS. My supervisor is Dr. Firhan Ali bin Hamid Ali. This is my table of contents. I have introduction, problem statement, objective, project scope, methodology, context diagram, DFD level 0, DFD level 1, ERD, and conclusion. Introduction. School frequently confiscate prohibited items to maintain discipline. Current recording methods such as logbooks and spreadsheets are manual, inefficient, and error-prone. This causes data loss, tracking issues, and slow item return process. S-DCMS is proposed as a web-based system to digitize confiscation records using QR tracking, and the system improves record accuracy, item tracking, reporting, and management efficiency. Problem statement. For the first current problems is manual records cause missing, duplicated, and inaccurate data. Second problem, difficult to identify item ownership during return process. The third problems, no reporting or summary tools for management analysis. So the first proposed solution for the first problem is centralized digital database for secure and accurate records, QR or barcode tracking for fast and accurate item identification. The last one is dashboard with reports and graph for monitoring and decision making. Objective. First objective is to design a smart disciplinary confiscation management system (S-DCMS) that provides a secure, efficient, and user-friendly web-based platform for managing confiscation records and user roles. Second objective is to develop the S-DCMS using Laravel framework, PHP, and MySQL database, integrating the features such as QR tagging, item tracking, automatic notification, and data visualization dashboard. The last one is to test and evaluate this S-DCMS in terms of its functionality, usability, and performance. Project scope. For my system overview is web-based system for recording, tracking, and analyzing confiscated items. Used within schools only with secure login and MySQL database. Replace manual records with a digital system. The users will have disciplinary teacher that manage confiscation and student records, principal that views reports and statistic, admin manage users and system and backups. For the main features in my system, we have QR tracking, auto statistic dashboard, search and filter records, item photo upload, PDF report generation, role-based access and audit log. The technology I use for the front end HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. For the back end, we have PHP. For database, I use the MySQL. This is the module of my system. I have user and role management module, student information module, confiscated item management module, automatic email notification module, return management module, school management dashboard, reporting and analytic module, item ID and QR or barcode generator module, backup and audit trail module. For the last one, I have system configuration and maintenance module. Methodology. For my system, I use Agile methodology. The method used is Agile iterative and incremental development. System built in stages, tested and improved continuously, allows flexibility, early feedback, and lower risk. While Agile for SDCMS is many modules: QR, records, dashboard, and return tracking. It needs user-friendly workflow and continuous improvement. For development phases, we have 5 development. For the first one is requirement gathering, study current manual process, identify problems and define system requirements. So the second is system and the database design system flow, UI and database ERD, Iterative development, develop modules step by step, login, records, QR, and dashboard. Continuous testing, unit integration, UAT, and performance testing. Improve system based on feedback. For the last one, we have deployment and documentation. Deploy on XAMPP server, prepare user manual and technical documentation. Context diagram. My system is Smart Disciplinary Confiscation Management System, S-DCMS. The entity we have disciplinary teacher, system administrator, school principal, and parent. This is my data flow diagram level 0. For the first process, I have user authentication and authorization. Second one is student information management. The third one, I have confiscation management. The fourth one, I have item return management. For the fifth process, I have notification management. And the last one, I have reporting and analytics. Data flow diagram level 1, I have for the first one, 3.1, enter the confiscation details. 3.2, validate student information. 3.3, generate QR or barcode. 3.4, upload the item photo. 3.5, save confiscation record. 3.6, trigger notification and it would to the notification management. Entity relationship diagram ERD. The user will record the confiscated item. The primary key is user ID. Confiscated item primary key is item ID and the foreign key is student ID and user ID. So for the student, primary key is student ID. It has the confiscated item. So the confiscated item will return as item return. The primary key for item return is written as return ID. Confiscated items will generate notification. Notification primary key is notification ID. The foreign key is item ID. Conclusion. This project successfully developed the Smart Disciplinary Confiscation Management System (S-DCMS) to improve the management of disciplinary confiscation records in schools. The system provides a centralized and efficient platform for recording, tracking, and managing confiscated items. Through a proper system analysis and design, the project implements structured processes, a well-organized database, and a user-friendly interface. Testing results confirm that the system functions reliable and meets the intended requirements. Overall, S-DCMS enhances efficiency, accuracy, and transparency in school disciplinary management. Thank you. That's all for me. Hi, Assalamualaikum. This is my system, Smart Disciplinary Confiscation Management System. For the first one, we will use the admin. The admin will show the monthly trend, the tops item, the total confiscation, return and pending, the user enroll management. We have parents, principal, teacher, and admin. Student list, the records of the confiscation. It can be print slip and the reports can print PDF and we have update logs. Next, we will do the teacher. We have dashboard, student at confiscation, records and return item. So this is the student. We can update and delete the student at confiscation. The records, we can print the slip and the return item. We have team, dark mode or light mode. Next, I will show you the principle. The principle we have the dashboard and also the reports that can be generated and save PDF. The last one we have parent. The parent will show the their child confiscated item, the date and which class. You can also this will we can be search. Let's we log out. We have the parent registration, login, and forgot password. Next one we have the database. We have update logs, confiscation, password reset, remember tokens, settings, students, and user. That's all for my system. Thank you.